So cute.
I got a really cute. Okay. Yeah, I did.
He's very busy down there. Oh, good. I got it. It's right up there. See him?
No.
The bands come from the U.S. Geological Service's bird banding lab outside of Washington, D.C. That's the only thing that the government gives us. Each band has a unique serial number on it that will be unique to that bird. It's a 9-digit serial number. The bands are sized to fit the age and sex and species of the birds. So depending on what species of bird, we get different size bands. On with a specialized pair of pliers, put the band up into a little C shape, put it in the jaws of the pliers. Again, depending the hole depending on the size of the band. When we close the pliers, it forms a perfect little circle around the bird's leg. So we put the band on the bird. We age the bird by looking at its generally looking at its wing feathers to determine how old, record the sex and species, series of measurements, and that's it. We can process a bird in about 35 to 40 seconds.
Anybody want to adopt this bird?
She already has.
Did you get your picture
I
back?
did.
I'm sure I'm old, okay?
And
But we
I
got
want to
it.
release it.
Anybody else want to adopt it?
You're going to release him?
She is. Listen, you want to? Yeah, let's put it in your hand. By the way, this is you got this another name. You see this red on the crown? That's actually color out of a fruit. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the fruit, but in English, pardon me, it's called horse's balls. But they rot, it's true. And we saw them in Belize by the hundreds, and these fruit were dropping from the trees, and they rotten. They bust open, and the fruit flies leave their eggs in that over-ripened fruit. And when they hatch, the larvae are there, maggots, if you will. And these birds will feed on that, but they'll also eat the fruit itself. And for years, we didn't know where that come from until one of our tours, our fundraising tours in Belize, we actually saw where they were getting that stain. But it was a mystery for many, many years. It's an astonishing something. And again, it's just how little we know about birds. All right, Slim, you're it. Come around on this side.
Tail, I just can't get over that. Black and
Just sit tight and be real still, guys. Once you don't have to fold your hand up or anything.
Okay.
Be real still, guys. I'm going to ask you to be real still and real quiet, if you will. Or lay over and take a nap if you want to.
Oh.